I can see a fish right here. I don't know if it's dead or alive. We're gonna go ahead and try and grab it though. Oh, it's dead. Dead fish.
Huh. One dead trout. Kind of weird. I never find a dead trout. I don't know what's wrong with it. Huh. Got one. Sick, you guys. Let him tire himself out so I don't lose him. He's a smaller one. I was kind of worried because I found that dead one, but there's a little guy right here, alive and well. I don't know how healthy he looks.
We'll see right here though. Other hand wet because I'm catching with my left.
Oh, chill out, guys, so I can get you off here. Oh, he was barely hooked, you guys. Look at him. Barely hooked. Both hands are wet. Look at that, you guys. Pretty looking trout. Oh, 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 oh. I got you, guy. Good looking trout. Got another one right here, guys. Boom. Another little one. This one's smaller than the first one. Let him calm down for a second. Oh, he caught me a stick too. Guy, come on. All right, here we go. Oh, this is a pretty fish, you guys. He got me wrapped around the stick is what he did. See if we can't get it off here. So I get that fish back on the water so he don't die. Oh, there he is. Oh, he got off, you guys. That's okay though. Small fish. You've seen him dinging a little bit. Quick release. Didn't have to touch him with my hands. It's good. I know there's big fish in this river, and I feel like so many people fish it, but not fish right here very much. So I just have in my mind that like there's got to be a big one that's never even seen a lure. Never even, I know it's crazy to say because I'm in the middle of Provo, but like, yeah, when people think of catching fish, they don't think of catching fish right here. You know, I see posts all the time, is there even fish on this part of the river? Just gotta be a little more patient. I don't know, maybe they can't grow that big right here, I don't know, but I just feel like there's gotta be a big one. I just feel it. There's gotta be a big one somewhere. Alright, this is pretty fast when there's calmer water right there. Ooh, something bumping my leg. I don't know what it is. It's a stick. Holy crap, that was scary. Oh, look, there's houses right here behind someone's house. Damn it. That is not what I wanted. Now I gotta walk across here. But this is a good thing about getting in the water. You don't lose as many things, because if you're on shore, this sucker would be gone. Honestly, I can't even see where it's at. Oh. Got one, you guys, right here. Sick. Hopefully he stays on. Pretty small guy too. Pretty small. Get my hands wet. There we go. Other hand too. Just for safety. For the fish. Look at him, you guys. I love trout. Okay. He demolished it. There we go. go. There you guys go. Look at that little one. Pretty. I like them too because when you get your hands wet, like you're supposed to, they're not too slimy. Nothing like that. I just got hit again, see that? Guess you couldn't see it. I could feel it. That one, you guys. Oh, this is a white bass. It's pretty far up here. This guy is. Man, these things go far and wide. Bye-bye, Timmy. How you guys doing? Hell yeah.
Catching any fish?
Scotland.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Hell yeah.